Hello students, this is the fourth session of solutions and colligative properties, and in previous video we had seen Raoult's law. Raoult's law is the partial pressure is equal to partial pressure of pure solvent and its mole fraction, and according to the Raoult's law there are two types of solutions, that is ideal solution and second one is non-ideal solution. Ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Then we will see the what is meant by ideal solution and what are the properties of ideal solution. Okay, so first property of ideal solution, that is ideal solution obeys Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. This solution obeys Raoult's law over the entire range of concentrations. Means for all concentrations these ideal solutions obeys Raoult's law. Then second point is no heat is evolved. No heat is evolved or absorbed when two components forms an ideal solution. During the formation of ideal solution, there is no heat evolved or no heat absorbed. Therefore, delta H of mixture is equals to 0. This is enthalpy. Enthalpy of solution is 0 for ideal solutions. Okay. Then third one, C. There is no volume change volume of an ideal solution is equal to the sum of volumes of two components. Means there is no volume change in ideal solution. It is the volume is equal to the sum of volumes of two components, that is solute and solvent. Then fourth property is in an ideal solutions solvent solute, then solute and solute, and solvent and solvent molecular interactions are comparable. In ideal solution, the interaction between solute and solute, interaction between solvent and solvent, and solute and solvent or solvent or solute, its interactions means force of attractions are comparable. And last is the vapor pressure of an ideal solution I am writing Vp, that is vapor pressure of an ideal solution always lies between vapor pressures of pure components and solutions. Example is mixture of benzene plus toluene. So these are the some characteristics of ideal solution. First, ideal solution obeys Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. No heat is evolved or absorbed during the formation of ideal solution. Therefore, delta mix of H, that is enthalpy of reaction or a mixture, is equals to always 0. There is no volume change of an ideal solution. The volume of an ideal solution, no heat is evolved or absorbed when two components form an ideal solution. Therefore, delta H is equals to 0. There is no volume change. Volume of an ideal solution is equal to the sum of volume of two components. And in an ideal solution, the interactions between solute-solute, solvent-solvent and solute-solvent are comparable, and vapor pressures of an ideal solutions always lies between the vapor pressure of pure components and the solutions, and the example is benzene plus toluene. Now we'll see the what is meant by non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions means those solutions which do not obey Raoult's law. Those solutions which do not obey Raoult's law are called as a non-ideal solutions, and the vapor pressures of these solutions can be higher or lower than those of pure components. So these are the non-ideal solutions which do not obey Raoult's law, and vapor pressure of the solutions can be higher or lower than those of pure solvents. Is it clear, student? Now next topic is what is meant by colligative properties and which are the colligative properties. So what is colligative property? First, colligative properties. The properties of solutions which are physical properties. The physical properties of solutions that depend on number of solute particles and not on the nature are called as colligative properties. The physical properties which are depend on number of solute particles and not on the nature of solute particle are called as colligative properties. These properties are depend only on the number of solute particles and not on the nature of solute particles, and they are of four types. They are four properties. These four colligative properties are: first, vapor pressure lowering. Vapor pressure lowering, first colligative property. Then second, boiling point elevation. Then third is freezing point depression, and last is osmotic pressure. So what is colligative property? The properties which are depend on number of solute particles and not on the nature of solute particles, and they are of four. That is, colligative properties are four. First colligative property is vapor pressure lowering. Second is a boiling point elevation. Third is freezing point depression, and fourth is osmotic pressure. Now these properties, I am going to teach you in detail these properties. In each video I will teach you one property in detail. Okay, thank you.